Yeah, hopefully we can resweep this 9:30 a.m. low and then catch our entry. Because bro, we had a nice 1 minute inverse, but what is this 1 minute inverse targeting? Right? Like that's what you have to think about. What is this 1 minute inverse targeting? Absolutely nothing. We already tapped into the 1 hour bullish for value gap, so
All right,
we
we opened at the
technically
2 minute.
don't need to go back there.
And I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high. This 4 minute sweeps the internal highs. I'm killing someone.
I'm gonna wait for a pullback.
Oh, Christ. Wake in the morning and I step outside.
I'm in for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio,
And I take
targeting
a deep get real high. Yeah, this is definitely gonna play out. I just wasn't comfortable risking fucking $1,400 on one trade on a Friday,
yeah.
and like I wasn't quick enough to go to
All right, as
MNQ.
soon as ES taps into that 4 hour, with whichever one taps into the 4 hour first, I'm gonna go break even for sure.
And I take a deep breath and I get real high. What's
Come
going
on.
on?
Come on, smack that full TP.
Oh yeah, we just took it.
Bang!
Come on, man.
Bang! Bang!
Good
What a
shit,
fucking trade,
bro.
bro! What a
W's,
fucking
W's,
trade!
W's, W's, W's.
Alright, bro. Oh my god. I love trading so
It's before 10 a.m. again.
I love trading so much. I love trading so much. Guys, I
Wow,
love
bro.
trading so much. I'm gonna
How much
cry.
did you hit?
I'm actually gonna cry, bro. I love trading. Holy shit,
Bro,
bro.
that's
1-to-1
insane.
risk to reward. And I'm out there, bro. We're done for the fucking day.
W at O.
And I
Good.
passed two evals. What a
What a
smack.
smack, dude. How much did you make off that?
Dude, um, 600.
Dang, bro,
Bro,
and you passed the
600, 600 across all of my accounts on a no news Friday is fucking beautiful, bro.
How I made $67 in 1 minute. And
Bro,
then
I'm
in your
about. I don't want to plan a trip to Madrid, bro. I want to move to Madrid for like 3 months.
I'm super fucking down as well, bro.
The only thing I love trading in the morning. That's the only problem
Yeah.
that I have with
What if
it.
we just change the market?
What?
Let's get big enough to where we decide when market open is.
I like that.
I want
That's
the
a great
hedge
idea.
funds I want the hedge funds to be trying to copy us, bro.
Bro, they should, dog. We've been printing.
Spaghetti shit.
I'm gonna start off by reading the daily buys that I sent out at 9:15 a.m. All right. I sent out this daily buys, higher time frame bullish buys, but we'll have to react off of price action today. We are currently inside of a 4 hour bearish gap. If this 4 hour gap gets inversed before tapping into the 4 hour above, then I want to catch longs to the next 4 hour unfilled gap. My entry, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a retracement on the 1 hour time frame and then longs to the unfilled 4 hour above. As always, we start off on the weekly time frame, right? Let me go to NQ so it looks cleaner. All right, we start off on the weekly time frame. We mark out previous week high, previous week low. They're both still intact. Previous week low tapped into a weekly bullish for rally gap. I don't think we're gonna come down to this before taking out all-time highs again. Now, look at the daily time frame. I open the markets, and what do I see? London session manipulated all the way down and swept previous day low. Okay, after London session came down and swept previous day low, I look at the 4 hour time frame. What does it look like? It looks like the 4 hour time frame after sweeping previous day low is going to close above this bearish gap right here. I go on the 2 hour time frame. Same thing. 2 hour time frame had already inversed both of these 2 hour bearish for value gaps. Okay, so I look at the higher time frame and I ask myself, what is the target? I go on the 4 hour time frame, I see that we have a 4 hour unfilled bearish gap. Okay, so what is in between us and that bearish 4 hour? These 2 hour gaps. Both 2 hour bearish gaps got inversed, confirming my bullish bias. but we had an SMT with Asia highs in the morning. All right, we had an SMT right here at Asia highs, bearish SMT. So am I ready to long? No, I need an extra bullish confluence before I enter longs since we have a bearish SMT at Asia highs. So what did I wait for? I waited for price to come down, tap into this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, and then instantly got 4 minute inverse targeting that 4 hour unfilled, which was my ultimate draw on liquidity for today, right? I could hold longer to previous day high, but considering it's a no news Friday and I'm only just trying to catch a piece of the pie, I want to get in and get out as fast as I can. So yes, I do agree this isn't the best entry, right? Because where was the 4 minute inverse? Right here. All right, so this was my condition. Market opened right here. Okay, we came down, tapped into the 1 hour bullish gap, created a 4 minute bearish gap. The inverse of this 4 minute is my condition. Where did the 4 minute inverse? All the way up here. Okay, the 4 minute was all the way up here, but my daily bias was playing out perfectly. Okay, my daily bias was playing out exactly the way that I wrote it. Everything that I wanted to see happen happened. So am I gonna hesitate to enter even though we're not getting the best entry? No. Okay, I put my stop at the 4 minute low, take profit at the 4 hour unfilled, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, got in and out before 10 a.m., and now I'm done trading. Right? I'm not going to hold because now we're inside of a 4 hour bearish gap. I don't know what's going to happen from now on. The highest probability trade was targeting the 4 hour unfilled through this 4 minute inverse. I wish we could have gotten a better entry. I would have went in full size, but I saw that didn't get a clean entry. So what I did was switch to M and Q, right? When your risk management tells you, okay, the entry is not the best, we cannot take this on NQ for full contract size because you're risking too much with not the best stop loss. Okay, so instead of not taking the trade and missing out on the trade, you can just move to MNQ, risk less, have a bigger stop loss, okay, while risking less. That's what MNQ is for, not to make less money or to risk like less contracts. It is to have a bigger stop loss. Okay, if I have my stop loss here on MNQ, I can this whole stop loss can be like $200. Okay, or it can be like $100, whatever you want it to be, right? On NQ, if you put your stop loss here with one contract, this could be a $900 stop loss, right? It's like, why would I want that? If I'm not getting the best entry, I switch over to M&Q. I could even put my stop loss here and be still risking like $200, right? But where did I put it? I put it here, risked around 600 to make 600. More than happy with this. 1-to-1 risk to reward, a little bit less than 1-to-1. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I don't cap on this shit. It was 0.96. That was the risk to reward, so not fully a 1-to-1, but
Edo is a terrible trading mentor.
yeah, I'm sorry guys, but that's what we got for today. That's on a no news Friday, bro. I'm not gonna complain about that. All right. So hope that made sense to you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. That Maui Wowie.